The bag making challenge is back for the seventh time in the row, and you're invited. So, what is the bag making challenge? Hi, I'm Emma from Studio 77, and I'm very excited to tell you about the Spring 2026 Bag Making Challenge. So, this is a one off pop up community where we all sew together. We will all be making the same bag. The templates and the video tutorials are completely free, and you sew along each day as I go live. And this is held within a Facebook group. It is a pop-up Facebook group that you will be let into shortly before the challenge, and it is where all of the community are that are sewing together. You will be sewing along with thousands of other people, and we are going to be making the Velina bag. This is the Velina bag. It is a free templates, like I say, and tutorial pattern, and I will take you through it step by step. Now, don't worry if you have never done interfacing or stabilizer, or you're just not sure how to put in zips, and maybe you've had wonky zips or curvy zips or wavy zips in the past. I'm going to take you through all of that step by step. We're going to be going over box bottoms, zips, like I say. I'll be talking about threads and interfacing and stabilizer. I'll be talking about lining and how to get a perfect finish. I will also be, of course, talking you through the hardware that we're going to be using as well. So nothing will be left to chance. I'm going to take you through and hold your hand all the way through. And even if I'm not able to answer your questions in the Facebook group, there will be, like I say, thousands of others who will be able to help you and support you along the way. And that is what is so special about this challenge, is that you will not ever be alone. All you need to do if you get stuck is post your question in the Facebook group and people will help you, I promise. Now, not only all of the support and the community and the free pattern is there, we also have prizes, and we have got some really cool prizes to encourage you, support you and motivate you to get your bag finished, because sometimes we need a little bit of help along the way. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and join us. You can find that in the description, and I'll see you there. But don't go anywhere. Check out the video coming up on the screen right now, because I'm going to take you through my 10 non-negotiables for bag making. It will be a great way to get started and get prepped before the challenge.